on a city street. A stranger steps in, takes a seat. Michael smiles, asks where to tonight. Richard says, just down the line. Lyrics. Then a cane taps the cold pavement. A girl stands alone, patient, waiting. Michael stops, turns to Richard's eyes. Mind if we share this ride? Oh, kindness is a ripple in the tide, a spark that grows when love's applied. One hand reaches, then another follows, and the world gets brighter in the hollow. Oh, it's the little things we do that come back around to you. Jenny counts her cash with trembling hands. Michael slips her more than she planned. Richard watches, heart in his throat. Kindness isn't just a note, it's a devotion. It's a devotion. $1,000 on the seat for a man who made her night complete. You earned this, Richard says with grace. The world needs more of this embrace. More of this embrace. Oh, kindness is a ripple in the tide, a spark that grows when love's applied. One hand reaches, then another follows, and the world gets brighter in the hollows. Oh, it's the little things we do that come back around to you. So next time you see a stranger's face, remember the ripple, the time, the grace. It's not just a ride, it's a song we sing of the love that grows from the little things.